What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have a little bit of an unboxing here today. I won a competition on Instagram, a giveaway for the Virgo helmet by the Beam, Virgo Move. So what I've got here, this is everything that came in the box. This is a set of reflective tape for your wheel rims. I'm gonna put that aside. This is a separate color visor. I got the gold. And here is the helmet. I have not opened this box yet, so this is a complete surprise reveal for me. Let's see, it's in a nice bag. Put this aside. Wait, there's one thing in there. Little product card. So this, I think, comes with a light in the back too. Yeah, let's take it out. Oh, it has a visor on it too. Okay, so I have two visors now. I got a clear and a yellow, or gold, or whatever it is. So this is, oh, it's like a smoke. It's not clear. Okay, that's cool. Now let's see what's in here. There's something else in here. This is the light. So there's a little magnet on the back right there, and this should affix right into this guy right here. There, it locks into place. Well, let's see if it fits. I was a little nervous about the sizing chart because usually I'm a small in helmets, and they told me according to the chart that this would be, I would need a medium. So let me take this off. And let's see. Oh, nice. This is a good fit. It kind of looks like the helmets from those little Lego figures. Lego Spaceman helmet. This is cool because it's kind of like a full face. It has the nice drop-down shield. This is actually pretty good. For the colder months, I could put a hat on underneath. It fits nice. There's an adjustment dial in the back here that you can turn left and right, and it'll click down and out. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, it feels cool. Let's see how it looks. Maybe check it out in the mirror. Got a little bit of branding here and here, the Beam. A little bit there on the hinge button. You can see it says Virgo. Not bad. It's actually kind of a cool logo. So Virgo Move. A little on the side there. There's the Virgo hinge button again. So it's got these nice gaps here for your ear, so you don't lose any of your ability to hear the traffic and the noises around you. There's some air vents up on top, and inside, let me flip it over. There are some cheek pads here that Velcro in and out. Some additional padding there up on the top by the vents. I think I'm going to try it out. Today's Electric Wednesday, so I'm going to maybe try it out and ride it up to focal point and see how it goes. So it comes with this little rubber thing here, which I believe is for making it easier to unscrew this, because it gives it a little grip. And this is how you switch out the little visor. So there's one on each side. Oh, I heard something drop over there. I see. This goes like that. The forward position there. Okay, let's open this. Check out the other visor. I'll give you all the pieces too, in case you lose the stuff on there. It's on there already. A nice pouch for it. Let's open this up. This will actually be better for me in night riding conditions than the smoke one. So I probably leave this on. Let me put this on. Nice and simple. Nice. Tighten it up with this thing. Cool, there it is. And you can see here I got the light charging. Simple USB. So here's the light feature. I finally figured it out. You just give it one click and it goes on. And then you can cycle through a couple of different functions. Pretty cool. Different blinking patterns. Nice. That's like a strobe or a fade. And then off. Oh yeah. Another thing I want to try to demonstrate with this is this has like an adaptive sort of brake light system. So it senses movement and stopping, which is really cool. You can see it in action. It brightens when you are coming to a stop. Very cool. I have another light like that. A friend of mine, Marcos, gave to me. So having two of them on the bike, one on the bike, one on my head, is going to be kind of cool. All right, let's give it a try. I got plenty of room to wear my glasses underneath the visor too. Love it. Okay, try this baby out. Get my gloves on. It's a nice day out. It's pretty warm. We're in the 40s. After being a long while in the 20s, 10s. So right off the bat, I can tell there's a good amount of air hitting my actual eyes, making my eyes water. So I might want to throw my glasses on. It is a little bit windy, but you know, even when I'm just rolling slow, I wasn't really going that fast there. Usually I don't get wind on my eyes until I'm at like 28 miles an hour. 25 maybe, a little more, but it is a little bit windy right now, so we'll see how it goes once I get out of like the crosswind. But the fit is nice. I don't have any wobble. I have like a balaclava on underneath this to keep my head warm because it's a little bit chilly, but not too chilly, but I wanted to keep my head warm from the wind. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to put on some glasses. I do like it though. I do like the shield in front, the field, the peripheral vision. I have full peripheral. You know, there's no like blind spots in the corners like with some full face helmets. As I said, I'm heading over to Electric Wednesday. We're back in Long Island City again this week at Focal Point. So I'll have a good lengthy ride to really get a feel for this thing. And then later on at night, I'll be able to see how this is at night. I don't think there's going to be much of a difference because the shield is yellow. It's not smoked or tinted in any way, so it shouldn't make it more difficult for me to see. Let's see if I can get through this light. Let's see how it goes on the bridge. The bridge is usually a little bit more windy. I got tears going down my face, and I think if it's still rough after the bridge, I will pull over and throw my glasses on. That should help a little bit with the eye tearing. So far it's okay right now, going uphill. We still got a lot of like sand and salt on the roads, just kind of a bummer. I was hoping for a little bit of a rain earlier on in the week so that it would wash some of it out. But we're still gonna have a good crew tonight for Electric Wednesday. I know Andy, he just threw a Handleworks controller onto his Flex, and I know he's gonna want to show that off. So I'm excited to see that. Hopefully I'll get some footage of that. Maybe try it, maybe spin it around the block once. See how the acceleration is off the throttle, the pickup, the torque, the top speed. See? I think I already showed you last time Kelvin's new Tutio. Little mini dirt bike. Very cool bike. Very price friendly. Affordable. I think they started around 1,200 bucks. It's a huge deal. He's upgrading that with a battery from Emorge. He'll probably double or triple his range that he has right now. Let's see what else. What other news is going on with the gang? I don't know, man. Still looking for like a big communal garage. I think the Fluid Freeride guys, unfortunately their business is closed, and we were thinking about maybe taking over that space if we can, kind of make it a clubhouse. It's already got battery storage, FDNY certified battery storage in there. Nice big room. I think they spent like, you know, tens of thousands of dollars getting it set up and certified. So it would be a turnkey kind of spot. And we could maybe eventually have some sort of business running out of there, but I don't know. It's a big nut to crack. We would need a few people to go in on it. So we'll have to see. More than a few, we probably need like 10. But yeah, it would be kind of cool. All right, it wasn't very loud. Wasn't too bad going over the bridge, but I do have a lot of water in my eyes, so I am gonna pull off, stop the cameras, wipe my face down, and throw on my glasses. But I will say I do like this helmet, and it's really nice for that full face feel. I mean, it's not really a full face, but it is nice for a full face feel. Kind of gives you like a placebo effect of a full face. But this would be great for the mild weather, and I might even throw like a chin mount on it for capturing video, because the little crossbar here on the chin is a good position to throw a GoPro on. So that could be kind of cool. So yeah, that's about it. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and as always, tell your fucking grandma. Whew. Balling under here.